If you're getting a Leonardo AI login error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you a few quick fixes that usually solve the problem fast. Whether the issue is caused by a bad browser session, blocked cookies, an extension conflict, or even a temporary server outage, these steps will help you get back into Leonardo AI without wasting time. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick AI fixes and software tips. First, the simplest fix is to fully log out of Leonardo AI. Click your profile avatar in the bottom left corner of the sidebar panel, then click Log Out. This helps reset the current session and clears out any stuck login state that may be causing the error. Next, clear your browser data. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete to open the browser history or clear browsing data panel. When the window appears, make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. For best results, set the time range to the last 24 hours. This is often enough to remove corrupted login data without clearing everything from your browser. After that, open an incognito or private window. On Windows or Chrome, you can usually press Ctrl, Shift, and N to open a new private window. Then go back to the Leonardo AI platform and try logging in again. Using an incognito window is helpful because it starts with a clean browser session and avoids a lot of saved data that may be causing the login issue. If the error still happens, check your browser extensions. Click the extension toolbar icon in the top right corner of your screen and temporarily disable any active ad blockers, especially extensions like uBlock Origin. Also disable any strict privacy shields or tracking protection for the leonardo.ai domain. Sometimes these tools block the scripts Leonardo AI needs to sign you in properly. Now, if you've tried all of that and you still can't log in, the issue may not be on your side at all. Go to Google and search for Leonardo AI status. You'll find websites that show whether the service is down or experiencing an outage. Check whether the platform is operational and if other users are reporting issues too. If there's a widespread outage, the best thing to do is save your prompts or any important work and wait around 10 to 15 minutes. In many cases, Leonardo AI servers reset on their own, and the login error disappears once the service is back to normal. So to recap, log out first, clear cookies and cache, try an incognito window, disable extensions, and then check the platform status if nothing else works. These steps solve most Leonardo AI login errors in just a few minutes. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss more quick fixes, AI tutorials, and troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.